You want to grow your money, but you don't know where to start? You are in the right place. Did you know that every wealthy person shares a common ground about money habits? In this video, I'm going to share what I believe is the foundation of long-term financial growth, not just from theory, but from a journey of learning and working many years in finance. First of all, I'd like to ask you 3 questions. Are you currently saving money? How much do you save? What is your financial goal? If you haven't started anything yet, don't worry. I'm going to break down 3 money powerful principles that every wealthy person lives by. The principles that can truly change your financial game. And stick around until the end of the video because I'll be sharing the secret that will help you take the first big step. My name is Kate. I hold a master's degree in finance and have over 10 years of experience working in investment banking, corporate finance, and strategy. I created this channel, Basic Finance, in order to help people, especially those who do not have the finance background, but wants to understand how money works. And also, whether you are from a business background or not, it doesn't matter. This channel is here for you to give you the financial literacy you need. If you ever felt like finance was boring, confusing, or just not for you, you are in the right place because I'm here for you to change your mind. Now, let's dive into the 3 principles I said. The first one is manage your income. If you want to grow your money, the first thing we need to do is have money fast. Whether your monthly income is $500 or $5,000, if you do not manage your income wisely, you won't be able to create wealth, no matter how much you earn. When I talk about managing money, I'm not just talking about getting rich. I'm also talking about self-sufficiency. Some might think, well, my parents are wealthy. I don't really need to learn how to manage money. Managing money isn't just about creating wealth. It is also about maintaining it. If you do not know how to manage what you have, even a fortune can disappear. And if your parents aren't rich, don't complain. Research says this, only 21% of millionaires received an inheritance at all. Just 16% inherited more than $100,000. Only 3% received an inheritance at or above $1 million. So, only a few people inherited their wealth. The majority built themselves. Isn't it powerful? I'm a firm believer in this quote. If you do not come from a rich family can come from you. And as Bill Gates once said, it is not your fault if you were born poor, but it is your fault if you die poor. Your future is in your hand. Managing your income is the very first step toward building a life of financial freedom. But before that, I advise you to start thinking about what you truly want in life and how is your financial goal making that vision real. There's a Japanese quote saying, vision without action is a daydream and action without vision is a nightmare. Now, let's take a moment to imagine your dream life. What does it look like for you? Is it only your dream car? Is it living in a beautiful home? Or is it the freedom for you to take non-stop vacations? Or simply having full control of your time, doing whatever makes you happiest without stress or pressure? Think about this carefully. What would truly make you feel fulfilled and free? Now, let's arrive at a number. How much money would you need in your bank account to live that life? How much monthly passive income would you need flowing in? Once you know the life you want, it's time to start building the plan to get there. In order to help with this stage, I recommend a budgeting method Elizabeth Warren shared in our book, All Your Work. It's called 50-30-20 rule. The idea behind the rule is you divide your monthly income into 3 main groups. 50% for needs, things like food, rent, utilities, transportation, and so on. 30% for wants, traveling, shopping, entertainment, hobbies, and 20% for savings. Let's say your monthly income is $1,000. You will spend $500 on needs, $300 on wants, and $200 for savings. But it doesn't need to be just 20% for savings. When your income grows or you can manage your spending well, it is always better saving more. Think of 20% as the starting point as a minimum. The second principle is own an asset. Now that you can manage your income well, the next step is to own an asset. But what is an asset? According to my suggestion here, what I'm saying is an asset can be anything that either grows in value over time or generate cash for you. For example, a skill that helps you earn more or a property that you can rent out. The goal here is to own something that works for you even when you're not working. The third principle is build a business. When I say business, I don't mean a big office or a lot of employees. It can be something small that you can run on your own. Freelance writing or design, selling something online, offering a local service, or teaching your skills to others. When you start your own business, a few amazing things happened. You begin to take control of your time and your income, and you start knowing how to create value, how to market, how to manage people. The best part is a good business can grow beyond your time. Once it's set up right, it can give you freedom. Most importantly, it has the power to multiply your financial growth. Now we have already discussed about 3 main principles how to grow your money. Additionally, I would like to provide you with 3 bonus points that would amplify your growth. After we talk about this, I'm going to reveal the secret that will take you the first big step to grow your money with confidence. The first bonus point is invest in yourself. The greatest asset that anyone cannot steal from you is your mind. Read books, take online courses, watch value videos, learn from people doing what you want to do. Even if you're not ready yet to start a business, invest, or own an asset, you can always start investing in knowledge, because knowledge is the foundation for every smart decision. When you grow your skills, you naturally grow your value. Second bonus point is control your lifestyle. You probably heard this before. Don't live beyond your means. But I want to say it differently. Don't upgrade your lifestyle, then you upgrade your discipline. Lifestyle inflation is real. When you start earning more, you instantly spend more. It's how people stay broke even with high salaries. Make intentional spending decisions. Do I really need this? Discipline now creates freedom later. And the third bonus point is give your money a job. Every dollar you earn should have a purpose. Is it going down to your emergency fund? Is it helping you build your side business? Or is it paying down the good debt? Do not let your money disappear into random expenses. Money needs your detailed instructions. Tell your money what to do, or it will leave you without your permission. Remember, at the beginning, I told you I will share the first big step you can take to start growing your money. Well, this is it. The very first step in order to take control of your finances is by tracking your income and expenses. Seriously, don't let your money flow in and out without knowing where it's going. That's why we've created a simple Excel tracker based on the 50-30-20 rule so that you can build easily your basic financial plan. With this tracker, you'll be able to see exactly where your money is going and how much money you're saving each month. Want to start today? You can download the tracker in the comment section below or in the description. Let's quickly recap here. If you want to grow your money, the main 3 principles are manage your income, own an asset, build a business. Additionally, we've discussed as the bonus points, invest in yourself, control your lifestyles, give your money a job. Start where you are, apply one idea at a time, and stay consistent. And remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It is built step by step. I have planned a lot of videos about personal finance, good money habits, how to make confident decisions with your income, and other financial knowledge. So, if you found value here, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who might benefit too. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next one.